Thank you for checking out my course. If you are beginning to just start your freelancing career on Upwork, or if you're trying to really bring it to the next level, then you're in the right place. My name's Adam Palmer, and for the last 4 or 5 years, I've consistently brought in multiple six figures every year just from Upwork. I've worked with hundreds of clients, and I continue to use this as one of my main sources of revenue and also finding clients. In this course, we're gonna go through everything top to bottom, from getting onto the site and approved, to getting the profile that's gonna attract clients and hire you, to writing proposals, to figuring out how to turn this not just into a, gig here, gig there, but an actual business that you can grow with and really scale up. We're gonna go through negotiations. We're gonna go on through how much to charge different clients, when to charge them, how to set up these contracts. Also, we're gonna go through how to take care of any issues with a client, any disputes, how to kind of turn that in your favor. And we're also going to learn, when you take this course, how to get those reviews that are good as gold in bringing you to these next tiers. Like I mentioned, I've been doing this for years. This is not something that I just fell on in the last week or two, but I've been able to consistently get new clients and turn it into an actual business. And this online working and working on Upwork and freelancing, especially in 2020 and beyond, is going to become bigger and bigger. So if you haven't yet taken the plunge into this world, then there's no better time than right now. And I'm gonna show you how to cut through a lot of the things that held me back originally. And I'm gonna share all of my secrets to get you ramped up as quickly as possible. Once you go through this, you're gonna figure out how easy it is to get onto the system and to actually grow within it. And I love to use this term, but you learn and you earn. So I'm gonna teach you how to develop skills that are gonna make your time more valuable. And that's gonna attract bigger and bigger clients, and this whole business of working online is gonna grow for you. So check out the course. I have everything listed out in pretty much the order that you should learn this stuff. And if you have any questions while you're taking the course, or any questions for me now, just feel free to message me and I will answer them as quickly as possible. And I'm gonna work with you to get you to these next levels once you get in there. So hopefully you can check out the course today and let me know what you think. Hope to see you there, and good luck with working online and freelancing.